9 Instagram hacks and tricks you must know about in 2022. Post pictures with music. Music is one of the easiest ways to grab anyone's attention, one of the major reasons why Reels have become a core part of Instagram. Earlier you were only able to share music with Reels and videos, but now you can easily post your recent pictures with music. Method to do it. Select the image to post. Edit the image as you like. Click on the option to add music. Select your song and add. Hide posts without deleting them. We all want to sometimes hide out old pictures that do not match the current aesthetic of our Instagram. Now this has become possible with one simple step. Instagram now allows you to archive the previous posts that you no longer want to see on your feed. Method to do it. Open your Instagram app. Go to your profile and open the photo that you wish to hide. Tap on the three dots button on the top right corner of the screen. Select Archive, and that picture will be removed from your feed. Use a green screen in your Instagram story. Instagram never fails to surprise us. The new update lets the users add a green screen on their story, which can help you recreate your only background for stories. Method to do it. Just go to your stories. Then click on Browse Effects. Search for a green screen effect. Save this effect and you can use it as and when you like. See all posts you have liked. A lot of times we find a post, reel, or video relatable, we hit the like button, but sometimes we miss to save it. In such dear times, Instagram has made it possible to view your liked posts once again. Method to do it. Go to your settings. You can easily use the search bar. Just type Manage Likes. There you go. You have all the liked posts, reels, and videos. Clear your search history. We all love some privacy while using social media, and Instagram never fails to provide us an ample amount of privacy. With the latest update, you can easily delete all your previous history with ease. Method to do it. Go to your Instagram profile and open the settings. Click on Security. This will lead you to Search History. Click on Clear History and you are done. Limit your Instagram screen time. We love spending time on Instagram, looking at content, and watching reels, but we don't even realize how much time we spend on Instagram on a daily basis. If you are a student with upcoming exams, then this trick is going to help you manage your time in a better way. Method to do it. Go to your settings. Click on your activity. There you will be able to see how many hours of the day you spend on Instagram. Below that you will find Set Daily Reminders. Simply set your timer according to your schedule. Share previews of Instagram posts and stories. We all get excited when we share new posts or exciting news on Instagram, and with the preview option, you can leave your followers guessing what's coming next. Method to do it. Go to your stories and add your desired image. Scroll to the pen option. Add your desired color. Use the eraser option to erase some parts, and there you go. Get notification from your favorite accounts. This is a brand new hack that Instagram has added to keep you up to date with your favorite accounts. Their accounts will appear first on your Instagram. Method to do it. Go to your favorite celebrity or influencer's Instagram account. Click on the following button. Click on the Favorites button and it's done.